Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be going over lists, inputs, and string concatenation. These are all gonna stem from what we've done in the previous episode. So if you haven't watched it, I would highly recommend you do. And let's get started. So let's start off with lists. Lists are a way to store multiple different data types or multiple data types in one variable. So let's start off with an example. List1 equals, let's do brackets. And so what this does is list1 is the name, list1 is the name, equal sign assigns it, and the brackets are what tells Python that it's a list. And here we can put different stuff like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can print this out like we did in the last episode. Print list1, and let's see what it gives us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but we can also put different types in this one. Like we might want to do John 3.0, and then we can even add another one called true. And let's print this out again. See, and it prints all of this out. So it can hold lots of different data types. You can even put lists inside of lists. So we can do another one, and we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's print this one out. See? So you can print lots of you can store lots of different stuff inside of lists. Okay. Next, let's go over inputs. So to declare an input, we need to give it a variable. So I'm gonna call age. And we need to give it an equal sign, which assigns it. Then we need to write input, parentheses, single or double quotation marks. And then here you can put any text you want. I'm going to put, what is your age? Age. Okay. And then we can just print, let's just do this first. What is my age? Just say 25. Enter. And then it does nothing. So what if we want to see your age? What we can do is we can do print. We do double or single quotation marks, and then we can do your age is. So and then we use the plus operator, and then we do age, and then let's say we want to add a period after it. We can do plus again and period. Okay, 3. Let's run it again. So my age is 25, and 15. I mean. And then it says your age is 15 with a period after. So when we do the plus thing, it doesn't add a space after it. So what if we have something like this? Let's see what that does. What is my age? 15, I guess. And see, there's no space. So if we want to do space, we would have to do the comma. Okay, so let's try that again. What is your age? 25. Your age is 25. So that's the basics of string concatenation and input. Let's expand a little bit on string concatenation. Okay, so let's do another list. I'm gonna say ages equals brackets, and then I'm gonna say 5, 25, 19, 20, 90. Okay, what if we want to print this without the brackets and the commas? What we can do is we can do print, and then we could do print, then we do this, dot join, I'll explain this in a bit, and then we do ages, print, it wants a string, so let's turn this into string 90, string 20, string 19, string, because what we're essentially telling it to do is get this string, and we're supposed to combine that, and it can't. How do you combine integers with a string? It doesn't work out. So that's why it's giving us that error. Okay, so now let's try this one. It's gonna bring a big number right here. That's because what we're saying is get an empty string, and we're gonna join it with each element in this age. So if we want to put a space between them, we'll just put a space here. Let's run it again. 5, 19, 20, 90. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's the basics of strings, inputs, and lists, and string concatenation. Hope you have a good video, and I'll see you in the next one.